Hi, this is my Polaris ATB 2014 570 with the carrier. I have transferred or relocated the radiator on top of the hood to minimize overheating. It normally came below that and here, so I transferred it on top. Now this rad kit, you can order this online. Just go to Google and then just enter Polaris radiator kit for 2014 570. Then you will find different rad kit which you can order online. I relocated also the battery. It's beside the radiator. Used to be under over the chassis rubber, but it's very hard to maintain it. I will notice there's a bra. I put something on top of the seat to protect the seat from flying when you're traveling, and especially when you're loading it in your trailer. Even the back seat, you have to tie a rope. So this is the control light, engine off. This yellow button, this one, the speed or reverse override. You will only use this when you're backing up in deep mud and you need more power. When you are on reverse, you can push this to give more power. This one, this is for the winds. Right? If you need the winds, you can push the out. Then you can push the in when you're done. This one is the all-wheel drive, and then the right side is 2x4. Now you can use the all-wheel drive here when you are going into deep mud or slippery road. It will just automatically engage when the rear tire skids. So that's where the battery the old battery located. During winter, you have to remove the battery when your garage is no heating. Otherwise, you will damage your battery for too much cold. Besides, when you are running, sometimes the battery cable get lost. So while you are running, you will run out of battery because you will be using a lot of your light. It's OP here in Canada that you have to use your headlight when you are on the trail. Now, what you need here is tape so that when you remove the battery and transfer it on top, you will not be lost in connecting the red wire or the positive one. Then what I used is this blue battery, no, this battery cable from a jumper, and then just put this adjustable bolt. Now the radiator came from this location here. Now if you're going into deep mud and muddy areas, your radiator will easily get clogged. So the only way you can clean it up better is to relocate it on top, right here. So when you are relocating the radiator, you need this one, right, to connect it to the radiator hose. And then you also need this because you have to make a hole going to this one, going to the top of the radiator. So when you are using this and this, you have to need a circlip. This one, you can buy this and this one at Home Depot or any hardware. You can also use this to fasten the cable or whatever you need to. The same thing with the other side. So you have to use this one also, because you have to drill a hole going to that area here. This one. This is where the hose go. So from here, you need a hose like that. It's going from there, going up like that. Because you cannot fold the radiator hose, otherwise it will block the flow of coolant. So make it easier. Then you need also this one, clip. It goes to that one. and then you need a tie. Now you have to transfer the reservoir, the coolant reservoir. There's a hole here designed for that purpose. So see this one. So this is the outlet in case it's over. And this is going to the radiator cover. Now, when you are filling up a coolant, because your radiator will be empty, when you're filling it up, you have to start your engine, fill it up first, and then you have to start your engine until such time that there's no bubble coming out from the radiator cap. Otherwise, it will not work properly. Then you have to reinforce it because the original one is not so very strong. So you have to reinforce it with this one. It's adjustable bolt, and you have to carry a fire extinguisher. Even the one on the front, the original is inside here, the clip, but it's not so very durable. So you have to reinforce it, and it goes here. It's attached to the bumper. See, you can just turn this to tighten, and want to open it, just turn it reverse. Now, how will you use your wings? If you are in deep mud and you cannot get out, you have to use your wings. But before you go to the mud or the deep hole, you have to see that there's a tree around, so that you can put on your wings this one to the tree. You have to tie it to the trees and execute the use of wings. Or you have to bring extra cable. It's around 15 meters, and this one, which is around 4 meters, so you can reach as far as any available tree. Or if you notice here, I have a pick mattock. We call it a pick mattock, which you can also use when there's no available tree and you're on the deep mud. You can just put it in front, dig it out, put it here, then you can tie it with the wings cable. And I also have an shovel here because I normally travel alone in the mountain. So I have to equip myself with all the tools just in case. Okay, if you want to follow more, you can go to my channel and see you there. My channel is Ronnie Mugs. Thank you. Bye bye.